Hi, today I'm reviewing Asus ROG Phone 6D and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first we should open the Play Store and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. So then tap to open the app, click yes I agree, pick close and tap to OK, and after that we could see information about battery temperature. In my case that's 33 and 5 degrees, and also we got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.